Alright guys, so this is an update on the last video I made. So this is the email I received. As you can see, hello, hi Chioma Glory Chukwemeka. So they sent me that same email that I need to verify my identity, which we are just going to do in this video. Now, um contrary to what I said in the last video, I will advise you, if you're opening a Vela account, there is no need for you to change it to a Nigerian account except they send you an email. So, and from my research, Amazon said they are going to send you an email for you to verify your identity, which means if they don't send you an email, you cannot even verify your identity or upload your ID, so you don't have anything to worry about. So just make sure, if you open a Vela account, make sure you're updating books at least until they send you an email to verify your identity. I didn't even say no, they sent me this email like 3 days ago. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to verify my identity, and we're going to do that right now, and how it looks like. Now this is my dashboard. As you can see, this was a Vela account. So coming here, those details I used before were still here, they are still here. All I have to do is just make an edit, right? I will change it now so it matches everything in my card, right? So country, you change your country back to factory setting. If you're in Ghana, you put Ghana. If you're in Kenya, put Kenya. If you're in Nigeria, put Nigeria. So I'm going to put my country, Nigeria. So postal code, where in Nigeria? City, Enugu. So state, Enugu. um okay, address line, yeah, Enugu. So this line 2 is not compulsory, you can leave it. So I'm going to fill my date of birth and put my phone number. Then this postal code, remember this postal code is city, which is the city of the city you are in. For example, postal code Enugu. Enugu is a city in Enugu. Oh God, look at what I'm spelling. Enugu. Yeah, the Enugu postal code is what I'm using here. Okay, so that's what you're going to use also. So you can get your postal code from your Google. Just go to Google, type postal code your city, for example postal code Enugu, and you get your postal code. Then you come here and just click save, right? Click save. Now once we click save, it's going to, this first this thing we did is going to be saved. Now identity saved, as you can see. So now let's verify our identity. As you can see here, how does identity verification work? Enter your account details. The name in your account should match your government issued ID. Submit a photo of your government issued ID for verification. For best experience, we recommend using a mobile device. We'll review your submission within minutes and notify you. So make sure everything you're entering matches your details. Make sure. So when they say your account details, it means this your Amazon KDP account details. All right. So click on verify identity. By clicking, you want to verify. Let's verify. Something before we proceed, it's important for you to also check your Amazon shopping to be sure that your details matches what is there. Do you understand? Which is the name in your Amazon shopping matches the name you are using in that place. Please, this is the first thing you should know. Make sure it matches the name in your ID card. What is in your Amazon shopping? That is your Amazon shopping app. Make sure it matches. I want to do it through my browser because um I don't want to go through the app. But if you have the app, you can still follow the same process and do it. You understand? Just amazon.com, make sure your details matches. Now this is for those of you that maybe your name didn't correspond with what is in your ID, because I noticed that my name did not correspond with what is my ID. So I want to go and change it. So at the top here, you see it. Go to account. All right, go to account. So let me just correct it. That's what I want to do. Let me correct. I'm going through my browser. I just went to a new page so that I can correct this thing before putting my ID. So I make sure when they are verifying, they see that, oh, it's the same thing, that there's no difference between what is in here and what is in my KDP and what is in the Amazon site. All right. Once you come to this place, you go to edit login name and mobile number. So I go there and edit. So going to the shopping app, they are requiring that I put my login details, which I did. They're not requiring for number. I used mobile app before, and I'm just going to click not now. I don't want to use mobile number to confirm anything, so I'll just click not now so they can just take me. So I edit my name. So as you can see here, my name says Chioma Glory Chukwemeka, but my ID says Chukwemeka Chioma Glory. So all I'm just going to do is edit it. That's the only thing I'm editing here, my name, right? My name is the only thing I'm editing. So I'm going to do the editing now. Then save changes. So they just showed me now that my name has been updated. So let me go back. So this is something you're supposed to do, please. This is something you're supposed to do before going to change your ID in KDP. All right. So let me now go and continue my verification. Now getting to this place, you see the thing is showing automatically showing United States because that was what I choose before. So I'm going to change country that issued the ID. Nigeria. So type of ID, as you can see here now, passport, driver license, national identification card, not slip, voters card. So any of this one you can use it. I have national identification card, which I'm going to use. Continue. So they are going to ask you to allow. So just allow, and they are going to open the camera like this, which we are going to scan. I'm just going to scan it off camera, and after doing the scanning, right, I came to my email. The network was kind of bad. So, but basically, what happened there was I did snapped the front camera, then I was asked to snap the back camera of my ID, which I did, and after that, that was it. So they just told me account identity verification pending or something like that. I can't remember because I was having network issues, right? So I came back to my email and I saw where they wrote, "Thanks for visiting my per request. You have successfully changed your name." Now this is the part where I changed my name, remember, right? And now after that, sorry, then after that I got this email that was like 4 hours later. "Thank you for verifying your identity. You can now continue using Kindle Direct Publishing features. Note, if you update your identity in your Kindle Direct Publishing account in the future, you may be required to re-verify." So now this is them confirming that they verified my identity. I can now go back to publish my book. My dashboard is no longer showing what it was showing before. You get, so I can now go back and publish my book. And now they're telling me that if I go there again to say I want to change anything, I'll have to verify again with my ID. So anything that make this name change from whatever it is to another thing, I'll have to verify again. And I wouldn't advise you to do that after doing this verification. Do you understand? Now this is my dashboard. I'm trying not to show my book, but I'm gonna crop it out. So this is my dashboard. As you can see, my dashboard is back, and that's it. I hope and I sincerely hope that this video was helpful. If you have any question regarding anything I said in this video, do ensure to drop it in the comment section and I will reply every single of your questions, every single one of your questions. Okay.